Hello, my spelling friends. It is time for our spelling words. You can say them with me or you can read them to yourself. Greeks. G-R-E-E-K-S. Greeks. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret. Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Meter. M-E-T-E-R. Meter. Asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. Agreed. A-G-R-E-E-D. Agreed. Succeeded. S-U-C-C-E-E-D-E-D. Succeeded. Cedar. C-E-D-A-R. Cedar. Create. C-R-E-A-T-E. Create. Breed. B-R-E-E-D. Breed. Jamboree. J-A-M-B-O-R-E-E. Jamboree. Speech. S-P-E-E-C-H. Speech. Degree. D-E-G-R-E-E. Degree. Retail. R-E-T-A-I-L. Retail. Screech. S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. Scenic. S-C-E-N-I-C. Scenic. Tedious. T-E-D-I-O-U-S. Tedious. Accept. E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept. Follow. F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow. Psyche. P-S-Y-C-H-E. Psyche. Well, that concludes our spelling words, boys and girls. Hope you study every single day. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.